Hi, I'm Qingyu Jiang. I'm very pleased to present our article that is published in Family Process, along with Dr. Choi and two of my colleagues. The article is titled Bidirectional Relationships Between Parenting Stress and Child Behavior Problems in Multi-Stressed Single Mother Families, a cross-legged panel model. Parenting stress occurs when the demands associated with parenting outweigh the parent's abilities and resources. Parenting stress has been found to have a negative effect on children's behavior development, whereas increased behavior problems raise the challenges that contribute to increased parenting stress. Investigations on the bidirectional relationships between parenting stress and the child behavior problems are important to inform intervention efforts. However, previous research has provided inconsistent findings. Questions still remain about the relationship between parenting stress and child behavior problems, particularly in socioeconomically disadvantaged families. According to the family stress model, multiple stressors, such as economic hardship, single parenthood, may contribute to parents' psychological distress and parenting stress, which in turn may disrupt children's positive development. These stressors may elevate mothers' parenting stress, and children raised by mothers with high levels of parenting stress are more likely to demonstrate disruptive and problematic behaviors. Therefore, we sought to extend current knowledge by using longitudinal panel data collected at the child's age 3, 5, 9, and 15 with a sample of single mothers and their children that experienced economic hardships, as well as investigating the bidirectional relationships between parenting stress and child behavior problems, spanning from early childhood through adolescence. In the current study, we used a national sample of multi-stressed single mother families from the Fragile Families and Child Wellbeing study. The final sample of our study consisted of 770 mothers and their children. Cross-legged pathways and transactional effects were estimated between parenting stress and child behavior problems across the 4 time points. Regarding our results, significant transactional effects were observed in both directions between the child's age of 3 and 5. In other words, parenting stress at age 3 predicted child behavior problems at age 5. And the child behavior problems at age 3 also predicted parenting stress at age 5. Unexpectedly, the lagged effects of parenting stress on child behavior problems from age 5 to age 15 were not significant in our sampled data. From age 5 to age 15, our findings suggest that child behavior problems at an earlier time point predict mothers' parenting stress at a later time point. Our findings have implications for interventions to support multi-stressed single mother families and their children. Intervention adapted to specific development phases can be effective. Given the reciprocal influences between mothers and children in early years, intervention should address mitigating both parenting stress and their young children's behavior problems. These aims have been incorporated into evidence-based programs to improve parent-child interactions, such as the parent-child interaction therapy and the Triple P positive parenting program. Another goal in early childhood should be empowering mothers to cope with stress and respond to challenging behaviors. Strengthening mothers' coping skills, such as through psychoeducation on conflict resolution, optimistic parental value structures, as well as mindfulness practices. During middle childhood and adolescence, interventions directly addressing children's behavior problems are important for the well-being of mothers and for the lowering levels of behavior problems in adolescence. Thank you so much.